Ooh, the ankle pick was there. Reshot. Nope. Nope. Dump. Wizard. Hook that leg. Too high. It's too high. There you go. Back. Hip up. Ah. Free move. Two. There you go. Run it. Run to his head. Get off that ankle. Run to his. Oh. Jump to the other side. Jump to the other side. Jump to the other side. Other side. Other side.
Run it hard. Run it.
To the head. To the head. To the head.
Run it. Get in deep there. Elbow to elbow.
Get up. Head over back.
Deep.
1 second fight.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
You're behind you.
138 more.
Get out.
The back court view.
Should be one, right? Whoa! Whoa. Oh, whoa. He just got off of him with 9 seconds left.
Hold up, ref.